So good morning, my dear EMC family. We are doing a very useful, very important session called Get Your Attention in Your Control. Now, we've done this before, but today I promise you that in the next 20 minutes, you will leave the session with a repeatable 90-second protocol that will help you to bring your attention back on command. Now, you know what happens when your attention is not in your control, where it goes, what it does. You certainly don't want it to go where sometimes it goes and waste a lot of time also, right? So my request is type one word in the chat for how your attention feels right now. How does your attention feel right now? Scattered, sharp, sleepy, worried, whatever it is. Put one word in the chat box. Very nice, thank you. Those who are watching on YouTube, you can put it in the comment box. What does your attention feel like right now? Lovely. Now, whatever you typed is correct. We are not going to judge it, okay? So let's do a very small centering exercise. Sit straight, put your feet on the ground, and relax your shoulders. Inhale slowly to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again, inhale slowly to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale slowly. Hold and exhale slowly. Now put one hand on your heart and whisper, today I choose where my attention goes. आज मैं चुनूंगा कि मेरा ध्यान कहां जाएगा. I choose focus. So why do we lose control? Why does our attention go wherever it goes? Now, there are 3 very big attention leaks. Attention leak means it's going where it's not supposed to go. So you pay a price for it. Yeah. You keep switching from one thing to another. You don't finish one thing, you go to another. Like suddenly you get a notification on WhatsApp or you get a sudden email. So you drop what you're doing and start doing that. And every time you do that, it is draining about 20 to 30 seconds of your mental fuel. Suddenly a thought comes and you start worrying. You're working on a project, another thought comes, oh, what if I fail? Another drain. Another thought comes, oh my God, what is my boss going to say if I don't submit this proposal on time? Switching. This is costing you energy and time. Yeah, and then we have these, what we call as the dopamine loops. You feel very good. Yeah, look at Instagram. Yeah, it gives you a lot of novelty. It doesn't give you any clarity, right? It's like a time pass activity that takes away your time. And the worst one of them all is unfinished loops. There's a cycle of action. You start something, do it and complete it. Loop is closed. So open loops are unfinished tasks which are buzzing in the background and again taking your attention. You're not at ease. You're not completely present because your attention is scattered all over. So I have very good news for you. Your attention is trainable. We can train it, and we'll use a very simple loop today to reclaim it. Okay, now take out your notebooks and be ready. We'll do a 3-minute attention audit. And write on that, open a page and write over there, attention audit. Now for the next 1 minute, list your top pulls. Pulls means when it pulls your attention away. Yeah? What were your top pulls that pulled your attention away in the last 24 hours? Was it the apps on your phone? Was it people? Was it worries? Was it unfinished task? Okay, start writing. Keep writing. Keep writing. All right, so if you finish writing, put a star on 3 items in your list which stole the maximum time and energy. 3 items. And out of the items that you have starred, circle one thing that you will manage differently today. Yeah, and in the chat, you can write down. My number 1 pull is so and so. That took your maximum energy. Today, I will do so and so differently. Please put it in the chat box. I'd love to see your comments in the chat box. Yesterday, XYZ took away my energy maximum. Instead of that, I will do such and such. How will I bring my attention where it goes? Yeah, so Chantal, if phone apps took your attention, what will you do to remedy it? You can write that also. Only one you're taking. Very good, everybody. Mark it. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you an exercise. It is called the focus loop. I call it A, B, C, D, E. What is A? A means being aware, noticing where my attention is being pulled. B is breathe. You know, you breathe 3 rounds of inhale to the count of 4, hold to the count of 2, exhale to the count of 6. So that's the A and the B. C is choose. You pick one target for the next 60 to 90 minutes. Yeah. So instead of letting your attention go where it is, what will you do in the next 60 seconds? Read a paragraph, reply to mail, or simply breathe. D is for do. Do means set a time, start, do not allow yourself to be interrupted. E means evaluate. So after 90 seconds, give a rating to your focus. How much was it on a scale of 0 to 10? Okay. So I will repeat that. A is for aware, being aware where your attention is going. B is for breathe, do the deep breathing that I told you. C is choose one target for the next 60 to 90 seconds. Choosing target means what are you going to do in the 60, 90 minutes? D is start doing it. Don't be distracted, just start doing it. And E is to evaluate. So let us practice now. Okay. We will practice now. Be aware where your attention is right now. Now take a deep breath, hold, let go. Take another deep breath, let go. Take another deep breath and let go. Now choose. Choose where you want to put your attention. Now, here's what I ask you to do. Put all your attention to the tip of your nose. Yeah. To your nostrils. Yeah. Do that. Be aware of your nostrils. Be aware of your breath going in and out. Okay. Now let us evaluate what we've done. Okay. During the exercise, on a scale of 1 to 10, write in your chat how much was your attention. Very good, Chintal. What about others? How much was your attention now when you did the exercise? Very good. So Raghavan says 100% means 10 on 10. Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you all for sharing. Now, you can keep repeating this loop many times during the day. Every time you do it, you'll be putting your attention where you should and removing it from where it should not. So now I'm going to give you 5 practical levers to keep control of your attention. Yeah. First one is called the attention budget. I call it AB3. That means 3 important attention moves which you will do before 11 a.m. Write them down on the piece of paper. Wherever your attention may be going from now after the session till about 11 o'clock, pick up 3 intentional important attention moves. Means where are you going to focus your attention? At least 3 important ones. And when you're doing that, make sure that you take care of the environment by default. Put your phone in another room. Do not look at your email. It be like a do not disturb. Tell everybody not to disturb you. The only document which opens on your computer is the document that you're working on. The third lever is called the body anchor. Okay? Choose one physical cue that will make you focus immediately. So you could choose anyone. I normally choose to sit straight, or I press my hand like this. That anchors me, reminds me, hey, get back into action, right? Sit tall. Yeah. Every time you start your focused activity, you can do this, or you can do this, or you can sit tall. Okay. Next, shift your language. Instead of saying I am distracted, or instead of saying my attention is being pulled, you say I choose to put my attention on such and such. Next one I think is also very, very important. I call it the open loop sweep. Yeah. There is a 2-minute rule for it. Unfinished business, anything you can finish in 2 minutes. Anything you can complete in 2 minutes, do it and close the loop. Otherwise, you put it in a list called do it later. Don't keep it in your head. Write it down. It will give you a lot of relief. So in your chat box, I would like you to write down which lever out of these 5 will you use today. Should I repeat the levers? AB3, that is the attention budget, 3 important moves that you'll do before 11 o'clock. Number 2, take care of your environment. Environment by default. Put your phone in another room. Open only the document you're working on. Third one is called the body anchor. Every time you want to start, you will use the anchor. You will shift your language. Number 4. Number 5 is open loop sweep. Whatever is open, incomplete, in the next 2 minutes, complete it. Or at least complete some actions out of it. And if it is not complete, write it in a list called do it later, but don't keep it in your head. So which one of these 5 are you going to adopt today? Please write it in the chat box, please, or in the comment box, whatever. Write it. Which one of these 5 levers are you going to do today? Very good. So small guided practice. Close your eyes softly. Now put your attention wherever you want, but keep it in one place. You could keep it on your nostrils, or you could keep it on your toes, or you can keep your attention on the rise and fall of your belly. Put your attention over there. Expand your awareness now to your surroundings. Be aware of the sound. Gently. Now bring your attention back to whichever, to your nostrils or to your belly, wherever it was. Now very consciously choose where your attention goes today and see yourself doing it. Consciously choose where you're going to put your attention today. Take a long deep breath. Let go. So I have 2 requests for you. Number 1, do a 24-hour experiment. Now do 2 of the A, B, C, D, E loops before 11 a.m. Yeah, do 1 attention budget item. Put it on your calendar and say now and do it today. You can put in the comment box, I commit to whatever. You will do the A, B, C, D, E item. Put it over there. Now remember, guys, before I close, attention is your life's steering wheel. If it goes elsewhere where it should not, then the A, B, C, D, E exercise will bring it back. So thank you very much for steering your day. See you tomorrow. Stronger, lighter,